Been asked to come over here and inspect the concrete of a home that has been built in only just 2006. And as you can see, the apron around our concrete pad is falling off. He's just worried that this house, the concrete is going to slip or actually break off. But I wanted to show you a couple of things of what's happened here in regards to this. You see, this is right here. This is the initial pour. This is what we call a haunch, floor haunch. And you can look up underneath here, a porch haunch, I'm sorry. You can see it's a different pour here. This pour here, the slab itself was poured at a different time. That's common. That's common. And then what has happened here is that they poured this. But what they have done, these are two different mixes. And see, you can see that this is a different mix because they've had put this here. You can see it wiped on here. So they've just taken like some extra concrete and shoved it up underneath here. And of course, there's not enough concrete in this. And you can see that by looking at the pea gravel. Look at that. You can see inside there the pea gravel. That is definitely something that they got right out of a quick mix box or sack. This is not come out of the original pour. It probably was poured at the time of the house being built. Somebody just had some second thoughts or something. But anyway, I hope this is educational for you. If you have this happening at your house, concrete slipping, breaking, or some issues that you're worried about, give us a call. We'll help you out. Galloway Building Services. We are the highest rated and reviewed company in the St. Louis region. Thank you.